Wix Bookings tutorial, how to use Wix Bookings. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with using Wix Bookings. Now, first off, we need to open up our website. And if you haven't designed your website already, I have a detailed tutorial on how you can get started with a blank template and build this kind of amazing website using Wix. So once you have created your website, it's really important to populate it with important apps such as bookings, portfolios, and many other applications. So using Wix Bookings can be a really easy and effective way to boost your business and to be able to have a one-stop solution for everything rather than having a separate booking tool or having to integrate a different tool into Wix to be able to take bookings. So for this, just open up your Wix website editor and open up your Wix website. Whatever website you want to integrate your bookings into, you're just going to select that from here. Now, once you open this up, you're going to go onto the left menu bar and you're going to click on Add Apps. Once you click on Add Apps over here, you will see the Wix App Market. Now, over here, you're going to just search for bookings and you will see several different bookings applications, but you're going to only be choosing Wix Bookings because that is what I find to be the easiest way to inculcate bookings. Simply click on Wix Bookings over here. Once you do that, you can proceed and you're just going to click on Add to Site. Now, once you click on Add to Site over here, you're just going to add the booking widget or add the booking application to your site. It's going to automatically be integrated. And now it's time to set up Wix Bookings. So it truly takes only a few minutes to actually set this up. It's a really quick and intuitive application when you're setting this up. So right now it is going to create your own members area and your own services based upon the information you have in your website already. But obviously this is fully customizable. Now this is what my booking page currently looks like based upon just the template info. Now I'm going to click on settings over here and we can proceed with altering how our booking system works. So right now you guys can see services, choose service by location, by category, then you have your manage and you can manage your services. So I'm going to click on manage services and this is going to open up your dashboard. Now within your dashboard you can add and remove services. You can alter the time each service is provided, and if you have multiple different service providers you can also add those over here. Now I'm just going to go on ahead and we have several different services, so we are just going to I'm going to go into my Wix dashboard to show you guys step by step on how you can alter this. So open up your dashboard once you've integrated this application within the website editor. And once you've done this, you're just going to go into apps on the left, then go into your manage apps section. And once you have clicked on manage apps, you're going to go on ahead and then scroll down and you will see Wix Bookings. So click on over here and you can open this up. Once you open this up, this will open up your booking services. Now, from here, I can proceed with adding or removing a service. To remove a service, simply click on the service you want to remove. Let's say the service I want to remove, I will select this. And once I select this, I can click on more actions and then click on delete. Then I will just click on delete over here. Like so, you can select multiple different services together or you can delete them individually if you only have one service to delete. Now, once done, you're just going to proceed. Now, once I have deleted the extra services, I can click on add service and add my own. Let's say this is going to be a simple service. So we can see there are some AI suggested ones, some class courses. So you truly can offer any type of service, whether it is a service that is individual, whether it's a class that you can book, which means that multiple clients can join in on the session, or if it is a course that you are teaching and people can join and pay per session. So let's say this is an individual service and I'm going to click on start from scratch, and this is going to be our party makeup, and you can describe what the service is, the duration. Let's say it's going to be 2 hours, party makeup and hair. Let's say it's an all-inclusive service. So I'm going to go with party makeup and hair. And then after this, I'm going to add a 10-minute buffer time or a 20-minute buffer time. And then you can choose how your clients pay. So if the price is going to be per session with a plan, or just with a plan. This is the fixed price, and let's say it's going to be $150. And then you can choose how the payment is going to be collected. Now you can choose the entire amount online, which means that this is a prepaid service. You can choose if you want the entire amount in person. Now a lot of people don't do this because sometimes people can cancel at the last minute, and that is really difficult to navigate when it comes to bookings. So as a business owner myself, I prefer to go with an online deposit and the rest in person. So the deposit needs to be around, some amount that I don't return. So even if the person cancels on me last minute, I have some kind of deposit that is taken, which is going to account for my time that was wasted. Then you have your locations. Now you can click on edit, and you can edit the locations you provide this. Then below that, you can add your staff members. So you can go on ahead and add as many staff members that are performing this service. And then once done, you're going to click on save. Now, obviously below that, you have your online booking preferences, and this is how you add your service within Wix Bookings. Now, once you have added your booking catalog or your booking service, you want to proceed with creating any type of schedule. So you want to go into your booking settings, and within that, you're going to go into your default hours. And within your default hours, some hours are selected. Now we're going to be working every day, and I'm going to change this, and we work, let's say, till 12 a.m. The next day, let's say we work I'm going to change the availability with 24/7 availability instead. So let's say we have 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Yeah. And after that, I am just going to add every day as a working day. And we're just going to search for 12 a.m., 12 p.m., 12 p.m., 12 or 11:30, whatever you prefer, so on and so forth. You can add your booking hours, and once done, you can click on save. Now, these would be the default hours of your business. If your staff has a schedule, then you're going to go on ahead, click on add staff, and once you do that, you can proceed with adding your staff member. And once you add your staff members, you can manage their default hours. So I can click on over here, and let's say I want to add another staff member. Staff member 1 is me, so I'm going to add another staff member. Let's say it's Kelly, and then below that I have my staff settings. And once I go into my staff settings, I can proceed. So I'm going to go on ahead and maybe add their working hours. Let's say they don't work on Sundays, they don't work on Thursdays, maybe, let's say. And I can update their working hours. This would override the default working hours of my business. And just like so, you can add your own bookings on Wix. And it's a really simple and easy way. Now, if I go back into my Wix website editor, this is my book online menu item, and I can click on manage menu. And instead of book online, I can rename this. So let's say I just want to add book us to sound more friendly, and I'm just going to add that. All of our services would be updated. Now keep in mind, you can create this booking page and booking service even if you're not on the premium plan of Wix, but to actually be able to start taking bookings, you do need to upgrade to a premium plan. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.